Hello, everyone. Good morning, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to our channel.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy to see you here. Thank you for joining us today.
My name is Jake, and this is my friend Ale.
Hello, I'm Ale. We are here to help you learn English in a simple and easy way.
If you feel shy to speak English, don't worry,
If you make mistakes, it's okay.
because mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, the more you practice, the better you become.
On this channel, you will learn daily English conversations
Simple words with meaning.
and how to speak English confidently.
We use easy words, real-life situations, and natural conversations.
Our goal is to help you speak English without fear.
And to make learning English fun and interesting.
So, if you want to improve your English,
Make sure to watch our videos regularly.
practice with us every day.
Speak with us, repeat after us, and enjoy learning.
Don't forget to like
Share with your friends.
and subscribe to our channel.
Let's start this journey together.
Are you ready? Let's learn English.
Hey, Allie.
Hey, Jake, you sound relaxed today. What happened?
I don't know. Maybe I slept well last night.
That's good. Sleep really changes everything.
Yes. When I don't sleep well, I feel confused all day.
Same here. My mood becomes low and I don't feel like doing anything.
Exactly. Today, I feel fresh, like I can do something good.
That's a nice feeling.
Allie, can I ask you something?
Of course, ask anything.
I always get confused between who, whom, whose, and whose.
You are not alone. Many people feel the same.
Really? I thought it was just me.
No, it's very common.
Okay, then tell me, what is who?
Who is used for a person.
That sounds simple.
Yes, for example, who is your friend?
Oh, so we use who to ask about people.
Exactly.
Okay. Then what about whom?
Whom is a little tricky.
Yeah, it already sounds difficult.
Don't worry, I'll make it easy. Think like this. Who is for the person doing something,
Okay.
and whom is for the person receiving something.
I'm thinking.
For example, who called you?
That means the person did the action.
Yes. And whom did you call?
That means the person received the call.
Exactly.
Oh, wow. Now I understand.
See, it's not that hard.
But in real life, people don't use whom much, right?
Yes, in daily speaking, people mostly use who.
That makes things easier.
Okay, now tell me about whose.
Whose means who is or who has.
Really? That's simple.
Yes. Example, who's coming today?
So it means who is coming today.
Exactly.
I like this one. Easy.
Yes, very easy.
Now, last one, whose.
Whose is about something that belongs to someone.
Like ownership?
Yes, exactly. Example, whose bag is this?
That means this bag belongs to who?
Perfect.
Wow, I feel more confident now.
That's great.
Before this, I used to feel scared when I saw these words.
Yes, grammar can feel scary sometimes.
But now, it feels easy.
Because you are learning step by step.
Yeah, small steps help a lot.
Exactly.
Allie, do you think learning English is difficult?
I think it depends on how you learn.
What do you mean?
If you try to learn everything at once, it feels hard.
That's true.
But if you learn slowly with practice, it becomes easy.
Yes, I feel that now. Sometimes I feel shy to speak English.
That's normal. Many people feel shy.
I worry about making mistakes.
Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
I'm trying to believe that.
You should. Even I make mistakes sometimes.
Really?
Yes, nobody is perfect.
That makes me feel better.
Good.
Let's practice more.
Yes, practice is very important.
Okay, I will ask you questions.
Go ahead.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Anna. Whose phone is this?
It's my phone. Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. John. Whom did you meet yesterday?
I met my cousin. This is fun.
Yes, learning can be fun.
I feel more relaxed now.
That's good.
Talking like this helps a lot.
Yes, conversation is the best way to learn.
Do you practice English every day?
I try to. Even small practice helps.
I think consistency is important.
Yes, very important.
Sometimes I feel lazy.
Yes, that happens to everyone.
What do you do when you feel lazy?
I remind myself why I started.
That's a good idea.
Motivation is important.
You motivate me a lot.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you.
Always welcome.
You know, before this conversation, I was confused.
And now?
Now, I feel clear and confident.
That's amazing.
I think learning with friends is better.
Yes, it makes learning easy and fun.
Also less pressure.
Exactly.
Do you think I can speak English fluently one day?
Of course, if you practice daily.
I will try my best.
That's enough.
Even if I make mistakes?
Keep going. Don't stop.
Yes, I won't stop.
Good.
Today was really helpful.
I'm glad you feel that way.
I learned something new.
And you practiced speaking too.
Yes.
That's the perfect combination.
Thank you for helping me.
Always.
Let's promise something.
Okay?
We will practice English every day.
Yes.
Even for 10 minutes.
Yes, every day.
And we will not be afraid of mistakes.
Never.
That's great.
I'm proud of you.
Really?
Yes, you are improving.
Thank you. That means a lot, Hart.
Keep going.
I will.
Good.
Okay, it's getting late.
Yes, time goes fast when we talk.
That's true.
I enjoyed this conversation.
Me too.
Let's talk again tomorrow.
Yes, same time.
Perfect.
Good night, Ali.
Good night, Jake. Sleep well.